learn the proper use of apostrophes and avoid common grammar mistakes. Improve your writing's clarity and professionalism with our helpful tips. One of the most commonly misused and misunderstood grammar points is the apostrophe. Many people struggle with knowing when to use an apostrophe and when to omit it, leading to errors that can make writing appear unprofessional or careless. In this article, we will explore some of the most common mistakes made with apostrophes and offer tips on how to avoid them. Firstly, one of the most basic rules regarding apostrophes is that they are used to indicate possession. For example, the dog's bone indicates that the bone belongs to the dog. However, many people mistakenly add an apostrophe to the word its when indicating possession, as in the dog licked its paw. This is incorrect, as its is a contraction of it is rather than a possessive form. The correct usage would be the dog licked its paw. Another common mistake is the misuse of apostrophes in plural nouns. Apostrophes are not used to make nouns plural, so writing something like I have 3 apples would be incorrect. The correct form would be I have 3 apples. Similarly, when referring to decades or years, there is no need for an apostrophe before the S, as in the 1990s were a great time for music, not the 1990s were a great time for music. Apostrophes are also often used incorrectly with pronouns. For example, it's raining outside uses an apostrophe correctly because its is a contraction of it is. However, the book is theirs does not require an apostrophe, as theirs is already a possessive pronoun. Using an apostrophe in this case would result in the book is theirs, which is incorrect. Finally, it is important to note that apostrophes should never be used to create plurals of proper nouns or abbreviations. For example, I went to the Smith's house is incorrect, as it implies that there is only one person named Smith. Instead, it should be written as I went to the Smith's house if referring to multiple people with the last name Smith. Similarly, I bought 2 DVDs is improper. The correct form would be I bought 2 DVDs. In conclusion, the apostrophe is a powerful tool in the English language when used correctly, but it can also cause confusion when misused. By following the guidelines outlined in this article and seeking out additional resources on the topic, writers can improve their understanding of this crucial grammar point and avoid making common mistakes that can detract from the clarity and professionalism of their writing.